Good morning student. Today we are going to start exercise 2.6 chapter 2, the four fundamental operations. Exercise 2.6 question 1, solve the following word problem. A. Rakesh paid 25,52,840 rupees for buying a flat, and his friend Subhash paid rupees 27 lakh 8,320 for buying a bigger flat. How much extra amount was paid by Subhash? Now Rakesh amount is 25 lakh and his friend Subhash amount is 27 lakh. Now Subhash amount is more compared to Rakesh, and how much more, this will we find out. Subhash paid for buying a bigger flat 27 lakh 8,320. Rakesh paid for buying a flat 25 lakh 52,840. Now we do subtract. We are finding more amount. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 4 is not possible. We take borrow from 3. Here come 12. Here 2 left. 12 minus 4, 8. Now 2 minus 8 is not possible. We take from here borrow. Here come 12, here 7 is left. So 12 minus 8, 4. 7 minus 2, 5. 0 minus 5 is not possible. We take borrow from here. 6 here. Here come 10. 10 minus 5, 5. And 6 minus 5, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. Extra amount 1,55,480. So Subhash paid 1,55,480 rupees extra amount for buying a bigger flat. This is our answer. Now B part. A number when divided by 243 gives 1088 as quotient. Quotient, this is quotient. Okay, and 140 as remainder. This is our remainder and this is our dividend. Find the number. Now the number is equal to divided multiply quotient plus remainder. Our divided is 243 and quotient 1088 plus remainder 140. 243 and 1088. We will do first multiplication these both. See here multiplication. 3 8s are 24, 2 carry. 3 8s are 24 and 2 26, 2 carry. 3 multiply 0 and 0 plus 2, 2. 3 ones are 3. Now multiplication sign. 4 8s are 32. 2 is here. 3 carry. 4 8s are 32 plus 3 35. 5 is here. 3 carry. 4 multiply 0 0 plus 3 3. 4 ones are 4. Now 2 multiplication sign, 1 sentence place. 2 8s are 16. 1 carry. 2 8s are 16 and 1 17. 7 here. 1 carry. 2 multiply 0 0 plus 1 1. 2 ones are 2. Then we add 4. 6 plus 2 8. 2 plus 5 7. 7 plus 6 13. 1 carry. 3 plus 3 6 plus 7 13 and 1 14. 1 carry. 4 plus 1 5 and 1 6 and here 2. So 2,64,384. 2,64,384 plus 140. We add 0 plus 4, 4, 4 plus 8, 12, 1 carry, 1 plus 3, 4 and 1 carry 5. And then 4, 6, 8, 2. So 2,64,524. This is our answer. Question I. When should we subtract it from the smallest 7-digit number to get the greatest 6-digit number? Answer. Smallest 7-digit number 1 and 6 times 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are smallest 7-digit number. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Greatest 6-digit number 9, 9, 9. Here 9, here 9, here. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we subtract. See here till here 0. We take borrow from here come 10, here 0 left. We take borrow from here 9 left, here come 10. Again we take borrow, here 10, here 9 left. Again we take borrow, here 10, here 9 left. We take borrow, here 9 left, here come 10. So 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0 and 0. So our answer is 1. Before starting question third, first understand rules of simplification. And question 2, please don't do cut it. DMAS. First, D stands for division. Second, M stands for multiplication. Third, A stands for addition. Fourth, S stands for subtraction. In simplification question, these both symbols will be give question. So first we solve division symbol, then we solve multiplication, then addition, in last we have to do subtraction. Let's understand with question. Question 3, simplify. A. 24 plus 12 divided by 3. Now see here division sign is here, not multiplication and not subtraction. So first our is division. So we write 24 as it is plus 4. In 3 table 12 will come 4 times. 3 4s are 12. Now we do addition. So 24 plus 4, 28. This is our answer. Now E part. In this one you see division symbol, multiplication symbol, both are here, and subtraction, but addition symbol is not here, so we leave it. First we solve division. As it is we write 45 multiply 9. Subtraction, and then 25 divided by 5. 5 divided by 20. What will we come in 5 table? 25 will come 5 times. And then multiply 4. Now see, after division we solve multiplication. So 45 9s are 9 5s are 45. 4 carry 9 4s are 36 plus 4 40 minus 5 multiply 4 20. 5 4s are 20. So our answer 405 minus 20. 5 minus 0 5. 0 minus 2 is not possible. We take borrow. So 10 minus 2 8. Here 3 left. It is come. This is our answer. Now let's stop today's class here. I will send you your home assignment with this video. Exercise 2.6 words problem. There is A to N. In this one, I have solved only 3 words problem. Others words problem I will be solved in your home assignment. And in that one, I have solved only incomplete one. Answer you will write yourself. Okay? Words problem is statement, how it will be solved, that I will write in your home assignment. Answer you will write yourself. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.